Hello guys, welcome back to another cool video. Today I will show you how can you fix the web page has been blocked. Don't know that mean? Here in my country, media file media file link don't support. The reason is, first reason, the web page has something bad on it, and second reason, your country doesn't support the the web page. Either one of these reasons, the web page has been blocked will shown on here. But no problem, I am back with the video. You will know how can you fix this how can I fix this. Okay, so first, go to your Play Store app. Then search VPN. Click on search. As you can see on Play Store, there are so many VPN. So I recommend you Turbo VPN or Turbo VPN Lite. Turbo VPN Lite is more faster and it takes low space than normal Turbo VPN. So guys, how can you use this? First, clear this, then open the Turbo VPN app. Actually, what does VPN do? VPN actually changes this mobile location of the country. Mine is made in Bangladesh, so it has been Bangladesh located, but you, you can change it. There are some countries, by the way, United States, Singapore, India, by the way. So I recommend you choose this. Click on this thing and choose this thing. It will find the fastest server there is. Click on this, connecting. It is connecting. Here, connected to the United Kingdom. It was the fastest. Click back. Now open the website that has been saying the web page has been blocked. So I open the Firefox. Now it will work. Just do this copy. You don't need to use copy, just open it again. It has been loaded like that, so I will load it again here. As you can see guys, this works, and if you click the download button, it will work as well. As you can see here, my mobile is okay, nothing. After fully loading, click on that. It has been loading. And that's how you can use that. So guys, that's it for today's video. Here, as you can see, it has been downloading here travel GTA. I don't need it, so I will pause it. Here, delete all. I don't no, can here. As you can see, it works. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. So bye guys.